Only a trained and licensed electrician should perform the wiring and connections described in this video. Do not attempt an installation without first reading the manual and disconnecting power. Upon opening the box for the PWRcell battery, you should find the installation manual, the owner's manual, the hardware kit, wall bracket, and PWRcell battery enclosure. Note that the PWRcell battery modules and module spacer are shipped separately. In the hardware kit, there should be 4 single retention clips, 4 double retention clips, 12 grounding tabs, 3 Ethernet jumper cables, 24 M4x8 machine screws, and 2 M4x16 machine screws. If any of these pieces are missing from the box, please contact customer support.